Alright, hello everyone, my name is Sage and welcome once again back to Marvel Avengers, the War for Wakanda operation. Let's continue once again from where we last left off, and just keep on going on with the story. Last time things ended quite badly, so let's see, are our heroes able to do some kind of comeback this time?
You had something to tell me.
I could not sit by after what Claude did. What you watched him do.
The barrier he brought up,
So I hacked into his communications. He is talking to A.I.M Scientist Supreme, Monica Rappaccini.
Ooh, Monica is
think we should
involved in
listen
this,
in.
okay?
Don't you?
patch us through.
I keep an eye on all of my operations, Ulysses. The reports from your inferiors are concerning, at best. You destroyed a heritage site? Is that correct?
I made a statement. Now, Wakanda knows A.I.M won't back down until we get the vibranium we deserve.
Ancient Wakanda knew more about vibranium than anyone in my company. You may have just burned thousands of years of research notes and experiment logs to the ground.
Perhaps I just believe more in the capability of A.I.M
I am
than...
building an army to fight an alien invasion no one believes we can survive. Your daddy issues are
Ooh, burn.
Excuse me, little...
You're fired.
Oh,
Good luck with your crusade
Ah,
against the
okay, so
Panther
Monica
without
kinda-
my company's protection.
retracted from Wakanda and this guy just went on alone. Okay.
Men, we have been forsaken. But no matter. History will prove who the victors are. What we are not given, we will take. Storm the vibranium mound!
Brother, the Mount! He's actually storming the
Oh.
Mount!
Then he is both reckless and vulnerable. The Avengers and I will stop him.
Please! They cannot have died in vain.
I promise you.
Alright. Shall we finally face off this guy, finally, like in the final fight or something? Let's see. As we head in the war table once again, and choose the mission. The Sound and the Fury. Yeah, Black Panther and the Avengers fight, take it back. Okay, let's see. Let's see what this will be all about then.
Shuri, what is happening inside the mound?
Claw and his loyalists have barricaded themselves in with their fuse devices.
Are there any Wakandans in there with them?
The mines are unmanned. Unprocessed vibranium is toxic to the human body.
And you want us to run straight into it?
I want
Sounds
Claw
good.
and his out of my mines. We have nanotech pills to help with the rest.
If Claw turns on all his fuses inside the Mount, he will corrupt vibranium at its source.
We will not give him the chance.
Alright, so let's choose the MCU outfit for this mission, just because I think this outfit is very iconic, and let's just launch the mission and get going. See if we can get a cool boss fight against this glow guy or
Dr.
something like
Rappaccini
that.
may be finished with Claw, but she is not done with Wakanda. She has sent A.I.M forces to storm Beninzana.
As long as the shield around it stands, the city is safe. We cannot let Claw poison the vibranium mound.
Let's get going.
This is the door we gotta bust down?
The closest one to the first fuse device. Yes.
Why don't we let Claw know we have arrived? It is only polite.
Kill the Black Panther and the Avengers. Do not let them near the fuses!
Desperate already, Claw. You have lost your touch. Keep moving. Do not let Claw's minions stop us.
Okay, so we got some small spider fry again to beat. Not be too hard then. Ow. Down this way. Let's see. Let's ignore those baddies. They're not really gonna try to stop me apparently. I'm getting this door. Yeah, we can just proceed to the next destination immediately. Okay.
Your journey ends here.
What do we got?
We will extinguish your fuses, Claw.
Okay. Bad guys. What is the objective?
T'Challa, Claw is
we
powering
just
up
need
his
to
fuses.
We will dispatch them quickly.
How do I get rid of these guys, those Sonic field?
There goes one.
This guy.
I missed my unibeam!
One has fallen.
Ow. Freaking. Oh my god, the spider's going crazy. I don't like this. Go down, my man.
Fall to your death, won't you?
Claw's done something to the hover pads. A good hit and they will appear, but they will not stay substantial. You will have to be fast.
Got it. I think.
Where's the closest fuse?
Through the vibranium filters.
Prepare yourselves. This will be difficult.
Ah. Yeah. Ah, right. There we go.
We are through. Heading for the filtering chambers now.
Alright.
Excuse me, what happens if we touch the glowy bits?
You
Probably
will
die.
break them down into your component molecules.
Ooh,
If
sounds
it
nice.
helps, your death would be instantaneous.
Why would that help?
So, what exactly do you want us to do
You
here?
sure
then?
this is the quickest way there?
Unfortunately, I am.
Ah, here we can. Oh, okay. Get on the other side, I suppose. Didn't spawn any, or maybe I'll just have to go like here. Yeah, I suppose. And then here I need to. Yeah, I can make this jump. That's how it was supposed to go.
Bulls scrambling through the bowels of your ancestral mountain.
What's this?
Pathetic.
You're close to the first fuse. Should I mute him?
Can we get some chest?
Let him fume. I need to monitor the progress of his madness.
Some stuff. Can I stand on top of this thing? Maybe that is. Whoa! Can I stand on top of this thing? I ask. Yep, I can apparently. Cool. We can actually get our asses right here.
My father could see me now. Or yours, my king.
At least my father could still look me in the eye after all I've done.
Oh, we have another one of these drills here.
Right.
Yeah, I guess this is the same kind of drill we took out before. I suppose we just do the same tricks to this thing as the
We
previous
will
one.
tear
Yeah.
it limb from robotic limb.
But first thing first, I want to take out these turrets because I hate them shooting at
I think that's all of them.
here.
Father, guide me.
I'll take out this piece real quickly. There we go. Oh, that was annoying.
Is just one. I have many more.
T'Challa, this is bad.
What is it?
Oh.
I'm seeing more fuses than we anticipated powering up inside the mound. A lot more.
Now it might be a fair fight. Yeah.
That won't be the last of them.
Alright. And where to now? Here. Okay.
Holy hell.
It is the heatsink for the mine.
Ah, what the hell was
Users are
that?
putting it into overdrive.
This is the only way to the power banks?
The only one that gets you there in time. Please hurry.
I'm trying to.
Are you all okay?
We are fine. We have reached the door to the power banks.
Ooh. Okay, another one of the drills, I suppose. And there's the man himself. It's time to go take him out, I hope.
Claw! Not now, Panther!
Shuri, the barrier and fuse devices are both being powered by the kiln's generators
So I can get them onto the Kimoyo network.
and make them self-destruct. But once Claw realizes what you are doing, he'll destroy the generators.
What do you need from us?
Protect those generators at all costs.
And get close to one or two of his hijacked turrets while you're at it, okay? I can multitask.
Shuri, take over the power banks. We will give you as much time as we can.
No! Stop them!
Guess he figured out what I'm up to.
Oh, was that all of them?
Got it.
Oh, that was intense. Wow. Still got it. Somehow. Is this guy finally done? Oh, he's still trying something at least. Time to fight.
You think you can stop me? Vibranium doesn't belong to you. It is mine! And I will happily go through you to take it back.
Maybe we'll get a fight, boss fight against this guy. Let's see.
Vibranium does not belong to me. It belongs to Wakanda.
Ow! Damn. Oh, he's done. We didn't get a fight against him,
We
apparently.
need you.
What is it?
It's A.I.M.
Oh.
They are attacking the shield around Peninsula. Get above ground now.
In the elevator, now.
Time to get out of here, I guess.
How big is the force attacking the city?
Big. These aren't Claw's loyalists. A.I.M. is here.
As long as the shield is up, the city's fine, right?
What the hell are you guys doing?
Wakanda is not just
Yo.
Bin and Zana.
You okay?
We must remove every last
Tony?
invader from within
You
Wakanda.
okay there?
Gladly.
Well, I mean,
We are almost there.
lore accurate
Get
Tony,
outside.
right?
Hurry.
Anyway.
Shuri, direct me to the shield's weakest point. Huh?
What the hell?
Do you hear that?
Bro, what happened to you? That's insane. What?
Do you feel it in your bones?
Okay.
Tree crumbling at my feet!
Never!
That did not work. Oh my god. What?
Shuri,
Oh, hello. Where did you come from?
Are you seeing what I am seeing?
I see it. The vibranium has ripped Claw apart. He is pure sonic energy now.
That is weird.
How do I defeat a man made of sound?
If I reverse the polarity of the sound dampeners around Wakanda, they can amplify sound instead. Get the wavelength just right, and it will resonate with the sonic waves that make up Claw.
You could beat him.
To get enough power for a maneuver like that, you would have to drop the shield around the city.
Only until you defeat Claw. Wakanda can protect itself until then. Trust your people. Trust me.
Do it.
Should we now fight him?
How long before your city's rubble, you think?
He has pointed turrets at the city. T'Challa, we cannot fight A.I.M and that madman's guns. We will be overrun in minutes.
You won't have to. We'll destroy the turret.
Oh, we have crossbones and the claw. What? Very interesting. And I'm stuck in this bubble, I guess. Apparently I have no choice but to fight against the claw for now. Let's see, this is actually kinda insane. Can I try to take out the crossbones like first, or what would be like the best way to go about this? I suppose with the turrets, destroying crossbones would be good for that.
Brother, you need to do something about those turrets.
Yeah, I got it. We can deal some damage to them now.
Thank you for that. The
Alright.
city is still holding strong.
Alright. This is a very interesting fight, holy heck. We want to weaken the crossbones so we can take out the turrets. Basically. Like a double boss fight, this is insane though. Nothing like this in the past. Whoa!
How do you like me now?
Keep going, T'Challa.
Let's switch things up.
You fought Belendana some more time.
Oh, we're stuck with this guy again. Okay. I will have as a response. Ooh. Oh my god. Holy shit. This is all insane. Ow. Just a little bit of that, hopefully.
Fight strong, beloved. All of Wakanda fights with you. That's just what this city needed. Thank you. We will hold the line, brother. Golden City will stand a while longer. Keep fighting, brother.
Oop. Oh my god, really? That to me. You wanna play, man?
I fought way worse.
Oh, again? Come on. Oh, now what? Oof.
Too rich for my blood.
Oh, I'm just running away. Oh. Okay, maybe we'll just take care of the final turret. Go. Oh, that's gonna hurt, that's gonna hurt. Can we evade that?
Guide us all!
Hey, stop that. Ow. Ooh. Oh, damn, this is insane.
The king battles for you!
Almost done with this guy, actually. There we go. Ooh. Was that all? This guy?
Where am I going?
Should finally be done, man.
Stop! Stop!
It is finished. Bring up the city shield.
It is done.
Oh my god.
Thank you, sister.
Hey, we did it! God damn, that was cool fight. Difficult, but cool. Can't say much else.
Shuri, what of our people?
Some injuries, but everyone is all right.
Nice.
We beat them back beyond the shield. Dora Milaje are picking off stragglers.
We were able to do it. Together. You are right.
Say that again, so I can record it.
Maybe later.
For now, I am coming home.
Let's see how this still continues. There's still something else to do. Or what is gonna happen now? Is it just all done already?
T'Challa! How old are you that you're still playing hide and seek?
Thank you all for coming.
Just tell us what you are going to tell us, Drama King.
I asked you here to announce I will be joining the Avengers in their fight against advanced idea mechanics.
Let's go.
What about the job of Black Panther in Wakanda?
Your Panther will not turn his back on his people. But I acknowledge that my attention would be split. And Wakanda needs, no, deserves more than that. Wakanda deserves a leader that believes in them more than anyone else alive, who trusts they will fight for their country, and who knows what they need even before they do.
Oh, okay.
Wakanda, is this how you greet your Queen Regent?
Well, that's an interesting turn of events. Nicely glitching that cloak. God damn it, ruining the moment. Alright, I mean, that's kind of cool conclusion, I guess. We'll see if there's still more to it. This is gonna be a bit longer episode, but I mean, it was a great finale anyway, so... Yeah, mission complete, War for Wakanda. Alright. Yeah, it does, okay. Alright, guys, that was a bit longer video, I said, but it was pretty cool grand finale for this War for Wakanda operation. And this means, of course, now that all the operations of this game are now completed. There are still a couple of small things to tie up the story, I believe, at least. So I'm gonna still do at least a couple more episodes of this playthrough. There should be some stuff to tie up, as said, and close up the story. I mean, of course, because this game got shut down back in the day, I think all of the loose ends were not tied up before, you know, they just stopped creating more content in the game, so we're not gonna probably get like a final closure for the story in this game, which is unfortunate, but you know, we'll do what we can, and I will still show you some things from the game before we, you know, close this playthrough here on the channel and move on to something else then. But yeah, that's going to be, as said, all for today's episode nonetheless, so thank you all for watching this video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment down any thoughts you might have below in the comment field, and of course, if you're new viewer here, remember to subscribe to support the channel. And as always, I will see you all with the future videos, but for now it's bye bye.